EPORDO Cloud Online Time Attendance System, a revolutionary cloud-based workforce management solution integrating advanced hardware and software. Eliminate traditional installation hassles. Operate globally via any web-enabled device, PC or phone or tablet, without software downloads or OS restrictions. Key advantages: global real-time control, manage multi-location devices remotely, monitor online or offline status, and access attendance data across cities or countries instantly. Dual user efficiency: admins track team attendance, generate reports, and approve leave requests remotely. Employees self-check records or submit leave digitally, reducing paperwork by 100%, cost smart and eco-friendly. Printing or maintenance costs while supporting sustainability goals. Ideal for multinational corporations, chain stores, and multi-branch enterprises seeking scalable, future-proof attendance management. Join the future of workforce management where accessibility meets intelligence. EPORDO, redefining productivity, one cloud-powered clock attendance.